In this video, I'm going to reveal 10 side hustles that you can start from home that don't require any money. In fact, one of these side hustles could actually earn you $3,000 per day. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one that one is and my favorite side hustle that you can start from home. Let's go ahead and get right into it. The first one that I want to talk about, and this is actually relatively new, it's called user-generated content, or UGC. Now, about 2 weeks ago, I had no idea what UGC is, and it's actually a really booming industry. I'm going to show you how you can get into it and how you can get started and make money. So basically, user-generated content is you get paid basically to run ads for brands. Brands will either contact you or you can reach out to them, and you can create ads for everything from a security camera like this to a water bottle, and you're going to give them that video and they're going to use it. Now, the reason why UGC is popular is because people, individuals like you and I, hate being marketed to. We hate seeing the polished, finished version, the great output of a McDonald's, for example. However, we do connect with individuals. So what brands have started doing is they've started reaching out to people and asking them to create content based on like a handbag that I saw, for example, or a security camera or water. They're going to buy that video from you and they're going to put it on their page or a page that's adjacent to them so that they can start making money. Now, it is a win-win because you can get paid handsomely for user-generated content and they get paid for promoting a product. So there's a couple ways to do it. On my screen here, I typed in UGC, and there's different companies that you can partner with to actually find brands that are looking for UGC content. Another way that you can do it is you can actually use a website called Fiverr. Now, over here on Fiverr, I just typed in user-generated content. You can see people are charging anywhere between $60 and $300 for a UGC video. So you can see that this is a really good opportunity. So what I would do if this was something that I was interested in, I'd come over to Fiverr and I would create a Fiverr gig for UGC, or user generated content. And then I would look at the buyer request to see if there are special requests. And that's a great way to get up and running relatively quickly. But UGC, or user generated content, is actually relatively new. There wasn't UGC probably 15 years ago, or at least it wasn't called that. But UGC can be a great way. So that is number one. Number two is actually with starting a brand, a self-brand over on TikTok. As you can see on my account here, I have 47,000 followers. Hopefully I'll have a little more soon. But I can create content about myself, just telling stories about things that I've gone through and experienced, and then I can monetize that in a variety of ways. I can monetize it with a course or digital physical products, selling merchandise, and companies actually will reach out to me. I've had a number of companies reach out saying they want to partner with me. They want me to recommend something like a sponsored post or an ad, and it can be a great way to grow your business. Now, the great thing with TikTok is you don't need to have 100,000 followers to have sponsored posts or starting to make some money or start generating some income. You can start seeing people reach out to you for as little as $5,000. Now, the cool thing with TikTok is you're just going to tell stories that you know. What I recommend that you do, and what I tell everybody that I work with, spend about 15 minutes and write down every story that you can remember. Talk to your friends and talk to your family about stories that they remember about you. Now, the interesting thing and the really cool thing with TikTok is when you tell your story, you automatically resonate with millions of people and you can build your brand much faster. Now, one thing that I wish I would have done from the very beginning is tell my story. My content is more of like helping people learn different tips, tricks, and tactics. But if I go back and I tell my story, I can multiply my followers and multiply my growth. So what I recommend that you do is simply just tell your story. You don't have to make it up. You don't have to be anything outside of yourself. Yourself is good enough, and it's great for TikTok growth and exponential growth. So create an account on TikTok if you haven't already done so. Think about all of the stories that have happened in your life. You're simply going to share those stories. You want a compelling hook, story, and offer, and then you can basically sell whatever you want. Or as I mentioned, you can partner with different brands. So number two is with TikTok. Number three is with Etsy. Now, what I recommend that you do on Etsy is actually create and sell a digital products. You can create anything from templates, Google Sheets, You can sell PowerPoint templates, WordPress templates. There's all sorts of digital products that you can sell right over on Etsy and start seeing some income. Now, what I would do is actually do a little bit of research, figure out what the market is asking for. And there's a few different ways to do research. The easiest way to do it is simply to come up to Etsy and type in something like template like this. And you can see people are looking for Canva templates, Instagram, business cards, planner, wedding, and so on. You can also type in something like digital like this. And once again, you're going to see digital planner, digital prints, digital downloads. Another one that I really like is SVG. Now, the interesting thing with this is when it comes to SVG, people are looking up the different holidays. So for example, 4th of July just passed. We could do something like 4th of July SVG. I forgot the 4 and 4th, but 4th of July SVG. And you can see people are looking for different SVGs based on the holiday. So you could go out, create different SVGs on the different holiday seasons, and you could potentially make money. So there's a bunch of different ways. I recommend selling digital products because once you create that digital product once, you can sell it again and again and again, and you don't have to actually physically create it. So I recommend if you're going to hop over to Etsy, create digital products. Ultimately, I recommend that you sell the digital products yourself, but you can do it through Etsy. After Etsy, we have selling landmark photos on websites like Shutterstock. Now, as you can see on my screen here, I just typed in Chicago. I'm not too far from Chicago. And so people are looking for different images of Chicago. You can see the Chicago Bean. You can see some other landmarks. And what happens is you're going to take these pictures. You can take them with your smartphone and then upload them to a website like Shutterstock. There are tons of people that are looking for these images, bloggers, YouTubers, AP News, ad agents, companies like that, news companies like that, and they're going to buy them from Shutterstock. And when they buy them from Shutterstock, you actually will get a portion. You'll get royalties. But there are tons of these websites out there. You can just Google, where to sell pictures. Make sure it's safe for work because that could get a little dicey. But there are tons of these websites out there, and you could put your pictures on all of these websites. Now, this is really beneficial if you live in a major city like New York, LA, Chicago, but you could also sell like farm pictures, pictures of corn, all sorts of stuff, crops and whatever you have. And you can make semi-passive income because you do have to take the pictures and upload them, but then you can get paid royalties anytime someone buys them. Another way that you can make money, and this is a very targeted way to make money, and you can actually make money with this with stuff that you already own. For example, and we take a look here at one of my YouTube channels. It's called the Reviews and Unboxings channel. It only has 2 subscribers, but this video, it's called Little Tyke's Giant Inflatable Slide Bouncer with Heavy Duty Bouncer Setup. I actually copied that name right from Amazon and put it in the title of the video. It has over 1,200 views. And so basically what I do here is I just record myself using my smartphone, setting up this bounce house. And the way that I could potentially make money is with the YouTube Partner Program and also affiliate marketing, which we'll talk about in just a moment. But people are coming to YouTube and TikTok and everywhere else, and they're typing in a product that they just purchased and review afterwards, or a product that they just purchased and unboxing. And you can make money in a few different ways with the affiliate programs that you sign up for, with the YouTube Partner Program. You could actually sell maybe even a digital guide or a kit to help them overcome any problems that you may have gone through when setting up the initial product. For example, this camera here that I'm looking at, this is a Canon M50, I believe it is. I could create a digital guide and with the best settings for beginners. I could sell that to you for 99 cents or $10. If you find value in the content, you could buy that from me. And there you go. I just made a few dollars off of a simple review and unboxing. Now, the cool thing is you can walk around your house and just do random reviews on just about anything. There are millions of people that are looking for information on products that they want to buy. So you create a review and then you can make money. After creating reviews and unboxing videos, we have creating an online course. Now, I have Udemy listed here, but in reality, I recommend that you create and sell the online course yourself because you're going to have an opportunity to make more money. Now, what you can do is you can simply create a course in things that you do all day. If you're an accountant, as I show you on the screen here, you could create a course in being a tax accountant. If you have a day job, you could create a course in it and sell it and make money. Now, the biggest question always is, how do I get traffic to a course that I've created? You can create free content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever people are hanging out. If you want to spend a little bit of money, you can use paid traffic like YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook, and other places like that. So there is a variety of ways that you can get traffic, both free and paid, to your site and start generating some income. But the easiest way is simply to create a course on things that you already know. If you want to challenge yourself, you can go out and learn different things. For example, if I just typed in Google Sheets here, you're going to see that people are looking for Google Sheets like this. You can see that people want to learn more about Google Sheets. And you could create a course if you spend any time in Google Sheets or you want to learn how to use it better. You can learn it and then turn around and teach it to somebody else. We can take a look here. Google Sheets, the comprehensive masterclass, has over 4,300 reviews, and right now it's on sale for $19.99 through Udemy. And right now there are over 19,000 students enrolled in this course. So there is tons of opportunity. There might be a better opportunity if you sell it directly to consumer. I like that opportunity much more. After creating and selling courses, we have building 5-page WordPress websites. Now, at the beginning of this video, I talked about one of the ways that you can make $3K per day, and it's with building WordPress websites. Believe it or not, this is an opportunity. I had a guy just this past weekend reach out to me and say he wants me to build him a website. Now, it's actually really, really easy to build these websites, and let me show you what I do. First, I tell them, hey, I'm going to build you a 5-page WordPress website. The 5 pages is going to contain a home page, about us, the product page, a thank you page, or a contact page, I think, and then one other page of your choosing. You're going to get all of the images from the business owner. You're going to get all of the content that they want from the business owner. And what I do is I go over to a website called themeforest.net, just like this, and I go and find a WordPress template that is congruent with whatever their business is. For example, if they are a plumber, I just type in plumber here. As you can see, I've done it a few times. I click search, and then I can go out and find a WordPress theme. I simply buy the theme, download it, and then I import it or upload it into their web hosting. And there you go. I just make a few changes and it looks pretty. And then I can start seeing money from there. Now, what I recommend that you do when you are doing WordPress websites for people, make sure that you get half up front. Get a substantial amount up front. So if in the event they disappear, they change the password or something weird like that, you aren't completely out in the lurch. You still have made some money. But yes, you can make $3K or more with these simple 5-page WordPress websites. If they have products that they want to sell, maybe you are creating a WordPress website for a beauty salon and they have nails and all sorts of stuff, you can actually charge them more for the products that they want listed, because that's additional features and functionality. Now, if you know nothing about WordPress, and believe me, I didn't know anything about WordPress when I first started this, I went out and just Googled how to do something in WordPress, or I went over to YouTube and said, how do I do something on WordPress? Now, I do want to let you know that if you want to learn more about building WordPress websites and making $3K per month, I have put together a training that can help you with it. That training will include 31 ways, yes, a ton of ways that you can find clients that will pay you $3K per gig or per job. So if that's something that you're interested in, comment down below, because I just put it together and I'm going to upload it soon, but it's actually going to be a really affordable price. Let me know if that is something that you're interested in. But building 5-page WordPress websites is really nice, really simple, and relatively easy. The only drawback to it is dealing with customers and customer service and client complaints and things of that nature, but it can be a really profitable way. After building 5-page WordPress websites, you could start a career as a copywriter. Now, a copywriter is simply just writing things on a paper, whether it's via for email marketing, for landing pages, for sales pages, and you're basically going to get the target audience to buy or make a decision. And the reason why this is so profitable is simply because the words on the screen are engaging. It hooks the reader in and it gets them to buy. And you can make a very good living being a copywriter. And the cool thing with being a copywriter is you could be 100% in the shadows, working as a freelancer or working for a major company. And you simply will understand the customer's wants, needs, and desires. You will write engaging copy or engaging words, text, paragraphs to get that reader to make a decision and take an action. I've got on the screen here the digital unemployed done for you, and all of the words on the screen are copy designed to get the my target audience to make a decision and to buy the product that I'm selling. And so if you learn this skill, you can turn around and sell it to marketers, and you can make them more money and you can command more money. So I really like copywriting. It can be anything from words on the screen to actually writing an ebook or just building blogs. But if you become a copywriter, I would say the best money is in working with solopreneurs and marketers to get their customers to buy. And the final way that I like, and my favorite, is actually with affiliate marketing. Now, what you see on the screen here are a bunch of balloons. These are water balloons that I buy frequently, especially in the summer, especially since it's really hot out. And me and my kids, we throw water balloons at each other. What I did is I actually made an unboxing where I opened up the package and I showed you, or the target audience, the water balloons. I talked about how many actually blow up. Out of the 60, I think, that come with it, 55 blew up, and I show you the product. And what people did is they clicked on my affiliate link. This is a YouTube video, and they made a purchase. Now, the cool thing with affiliate marketing is you're simply linking solutions to problems. People come to the internet because they have a problem. You provide a solution and you can make money. Now, you're looking at the screen and saying, hey, these balloons are only $24.99. The great thing with Amazon is that if someone clicks on your affiliate link and they purchase something, you can potentially make money. In addition, if they purchase multiple things, you can earn a commission on all of those things. For example, they come to the internet and they click on my balloons, my water balloons. They also buy a camera because they want to start a YouTube channel. They buy a standing desk, a microphone, an iPad, and a PlayStation 5 controller, right? All things I've got sitting around here. I could earn a commission off of everything that's in their cart. And so while this product was only $24.99, I could actually make $100, $200. The sky's the limit. Now, you don't just have to use Amazon. There are literally thousands of affiliate programs out there that are going to pay you low ticket, like $3, or high ticket, tens of thousands of dollars. So just to quickly run through them one more time, you can monetize your TikTok profile, sell digital products on Etsy, start affiliate marketing, which is my favorite, sell pictures of landmarks, not your feet. You could do that too, I guess. Learn and write effective copy, affiliate marketing, unboxings and reviews, create and sell a course, build simple 5-page WordPress websites and make $3,000 per, or user-generated content. Now that you know the 10 ways that you could make money online from home for free, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.